Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update the login credentials for a network location on your Windows computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type control panel, open it and select view by two large icons and go to user account over here. On left side you need to select manage your credentials, click on it, and now at this point you would either modify your web credential or Windows credential guys. Go ahead and edit or modify your credential here over here, add a Windows credential and add a generic credential. You can change the user ID and password over here, edit it, you can edit it guys. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.